Ever feel like your digital life is a bit like walking around with a giant "Rob Me" sign on your back? In today's hyperconnected world, the threat of identity theft looms larger than ever. It's not just about losing money, it's about the hours spent untangling the mess, the stress, and the feeling of violation. We entrust our personal information to so many platforms, from our banks to our social media accounts, and that vast digital footprint can be a goldmine for cybercriminals. Think about it. Your social security number, your date of birth, your credit card details, these pieces of information, when pieced together, can allow someone to open fraudulent accounts, file fake tax returns, even commit crimes in your name. The consequences can be devastating, impacting your credit score, your ability to secure loans, and even your reputation. Now, you might be thinking, my bank has security measures in place. I'm probably safe. And while it's true that financial institutions like Ally Bank invest heavily in protecting your assets and data, the reality is that identity theft is a two-way street. Banks play a crucial role, but you, the account holder, are the first line of defense. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of identity theft prevention, with a special focus on how Ally Bank empowers you and what proactive steps you can take to safeguard your digital identity. We'll explore the common tactics used by fraudsters, the features Ally Bank offers to help protect you, and, most importantly, actionable tips you can implement right now to minimize your risk. So, are you ready to take control of your digital security and learn how to stay one step ahead of the criminals? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the landscape of identity theft. It's constantly evolving, with fraudsters becoming increasingly sophisticated in their methods. Phishing scams, where criminals impersonate legitimate organizations to trick you into revealing sensitive information, are rampant. These can come in the form of emails, text messages, or even phone calls that look and sound incredibly convincing. Then there's malware, malicious software that can be secretly installed on your devices to steal your passwords, banking details, and other personal data. Public Wi-Fi networks, while convenient, can also be a breeding ground for cybercriminals who can intercept your data if you're not careful. Data breaches, unfortunately, are becoming increasingly common, exposing the personal information of millions of individuals. And let's not forget the more traditional methods like mail theft and dumpster diving, which, while seemingly outdated, can still yield valuable information to determined thieves. Understanding these threats is the first step in protecting yourself. It allows you to be more vigilant and recognize potential red flags. Now, let's shift our focus to how Ally Bank actively works to protect its customers. Ally Bank employs a multi-layered security approach designed to safeguard your accounts and personal information. One key aspect is encryption. When you interact with Ally Bank's website or mobile app, your data is protected through robust encryption protocols. This scrambles your information, making it unreadable to unauthorized parties who might try to intercept it. Think of it like sending your messages in a secret code that only Ally Bank can decipher. Ally Bank also utilizes multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just your username and password. Typically, MFA requires you to provide a second verification factor, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or an authentication app. This means that even if someone manages to obtain your password, they still won't be able to access your account without that second verification step. It's like having two different locks on your front door. Real-time monitoring is another crucial security feature. Ally Bank systems are constantly on the lookout for suspicious activity on your accounts. This could include unusual transaction amounts, login attempts from unfamiliar locations, or rapid-fire transactions. If something seems out of the ordinary, Ally Bank may flag the activity and even contact you to verify its legitimacy. Furthermore, Ally Bank provides educational resources and tools to help you stay informed about potential threats and best security practices. This proactive approach empowers you to become a more informed and vigilant user. But remember, even with these robust security measures in place, your own actions play a vital role in preventing identity theft. So, let's dive into some practical tips you can implement today. First and foremost, strengthen your passwords. This might sound like a broken record, but it's still one of the most crucial steps. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like 123456, password, or your date of birth. Instead, opt for strong, unique passwords that combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a password manager to securely store and generate complex passwords for all your online accounts. And never use the same password across multiple platforms. If one account is compromised, all your accounts could be at risk. Next, be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or open attachments from unknown senders. Be wary of emails, texts, or calls that request your personal information, especially your password, social security number, or bank account details. Legitimate organizations, including Ally Bank, will never ask for this sensitive information via unsolicited communication. If you're ever unsure about the legitimacy of a communication, contact the organization directly through a verified phone number or website. Enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. We've already discussed how Ally Bank uses MFA, but many other online services also offer this crucial security feature. Turn it on for your email accounts, social media, and any other platforms that handle sensitive information. It adds a significant barrier for unauthorized access. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include critical security patches that protect your devices from known vulnerabilities. Make sure your operating system, web browser, antivirus software, and other applications are always running the latest versions. Be mindful of public Wi-Fi. Avoid conducting sensitive transactions, such as online banking or shopping, on public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often unsecured and can be easily intercepted by cybercriminals. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet traffic. Secure your physical documents. Don't leave sensitive documents lying around. Shred any papers containing personal or financial information before discarding them. Be vigilant about your mail and consider using a locked mailbox. Monitor your accounts regularly. Keep a close eye on your bank statements and credit reports for any unauthorized activity. Ally Bank makes it easy to monitor your account activity through its online platform and mobile app. If you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately to Ally Bank and the relevant authorities. You are entitled to a free credit report from each of the major credit bureaus annually. Take advantage of this to check for any unfamiliar accounts or activity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.